put your experiments on a piece of paper and write down the first step, the second step, and the third step so that everyone knows exactly what you are going to do at each step and the strength of the wine. These two learning outcomes, let's write them first, and then the third one we call the experimental instrument is good. Before previewing it with you, let's first identify some of the instruments on your desk. Which one is which? Which one should you use first? We discussed this party, so be careful with the small funnel. This funnel is the ball that it puts in this way when we fill our berry. Put it on like this, suck it up, suck it above our QQ line, and then take it out after sucking it. If you understand this level early on, you can skip about half of the Harbin University material. Don't give it this to moisten it and throw it away when you're done. Okay, we're going to want to transfer this client to someone later. So when you add it, now it's here, and you can add it a little more than a little bit later. Just a bit more. When we do a combination, if you start doing experiments, you can improve the past infection band, and the banter is still specialized, and if you want to do it now, everyone will do it next time after you finish it. And then, if you really don't know, go to Bonsai and get it. If provided, aim for the end. We'll note it, grab a garlic, and place the order for your confirmation later. Let's get a bit more first.